Hello guys, today I have the Realme 16 Pro 5G and I'm going to show you how to improve the battery life in this device. So, the first thing that you need to do is to go to the settings in your device. So, once you have gone and enter the settings, you need to scroll down and tap battery. Once you have battery opened, scroll down again even further till you see, wait a moment, I need to lower my brightness level a little bit. So, till you see here battery reset by application. And I use my phone only for video recordings, not actually use my phone as much apart from that. But here, you should have some application you use the most. As I mentioned, I don't use it that much, so I just have here the system applications. But here, if you do have some applications such as TikTok, etc., what I do recommend doing is to go straight to this application, tap it, and check the background activity time. If you have your background activity time that high that you may, for example, have here in the system launcher 13 hours. I know that it's in system launcher, doesn't matter. Here, 13 hours, for example, TikTok in the background and only 40 in the foreground. Go back, go to apps, app management, tap your application that you had the first or the second or the third, and tap battery usage. Tap restrict by activity. Now, okay, and it will get rid of all the notifications, etc. But as it goes, still you won't have that much battery usage. Do this with every single application that is here. Now go back, maybe not that far. And here, go to display and brightness over here. Now you need to here scroll down to the brightness. So, brightness. You can enable the other brightness. Make sure it's enabled. Because when it's enabled, it just works better for your device. You won't use this much all the time, or it will just automatically adapt to your own environment. So, apart from that, here you have dark mode. The screen is AMOLED, which is actually OLED, which is of course better for your phone. So dark mode, it just dims the pixels, dims the screen instead of displaying gray. So make sure the dark mode is enabled too. Apart from that, here we do have, where is that? Screen attention. Make sure the screen attention is disabled also. Tap screen resolution, select standard instead of high. Here, as I can see, we have screen refresh rate. Tap it and select, of course, standard, not high. And actually that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.